Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by protecting your file. Make a quick copy so you can undo mistakes. Once saved, select the columns that may contain blank rows. You do not need to select every column, just the ones that indicate emptiness. Next, enable Data right arrow, create a filter, and click the filter icon for the chosen column. Choose the blanks option to isolate empty rows. Doing this narrows the scope immediately, so you only act on rows that are truly blank, rather than guessing or deleting needed data. Once the blanks are filtered and visible, click the first visible row number, hold Shift, and click the last to select all filtered rows. This ensures you only target those results. Right-click any selected row number and pick Delete Selected Rows. Google Sheets removes entire rows, keeping your structure intact. After deletion, remove the filter to see the dataset restored without blank entries. Make sure to scan adjacent columns to confirm no partial data was inadvertently removed. If needed, to finalize, consider adding a helper column with a formula like equals counta, B2, F2, and filter where the count equals 0 so you have a repeatable method for future sheets. If blanks persist, they may contain hidden characters, spaces, tabs, or non-breaking spaces, so run trim or clean on the range and then reapply the filter. If something still goes wrong, revert to your saved copy and try again step by step. This backup prevents data loss and gives you a safe way to practice the routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.